So welcome to another Capcut tutorial. Today you'll be learning how to add music to your video. So come over to Capcut, the Capcut app. Click on your Capcut app. Then click on New Project. So ensure it's on videos. Then pick the video you want to edit. So assuming this is the video I want to add music to, I'll just click on the video and come over here where you have add. So this is the video. Now let's assume this video does not have any sound. I just want to add my music to it. I would come over to this place where we have audio. Click on audio and come over to where you have sounds. Click on sounds. Now these are all sounds of music or songs that it's on the Capcut app. Okay, but if you want to pick a song from your gallery, just come over here. Sorry, a song from your files or from your device, come over here. So click on this where you have extract audio from video. Assuming there's a particular funny video you watch and you downloaded and you would like to use that sound for your videos, you can just come over to where you have extract audio from video. Once you click on extract audio from video, you pick the audio you want or the video that has the audio you want, and it will extract it automatically and you'll be able to add it to your video. So let's assume that this is the video I want to extract the voice. Okay, just click on it.
Hey there,
click on this
hello,
and click on add.
welcome.
You would see it automatically has been added, and here it is. So all you have to do is to click on the plus icon and this music will be added to your video. Okay, but if you want to just pick from your device, come over to this device section, click on device, and you would have so much. If you have any music that you want to add, just pick it. So I want to add this back to 80s. Click on the plus icon and it has been added. So let's see if it's attached. Let's play. So you see it has been added. If you notice, audio is not up to the end of my video, so this would be like something that every other person might experience. The song they are using might not be as lengthy as their videos. Is either you shorten your video or you click on this, come to the extreme end of your video where you have duplicate, click on duplicate. You see it has been duplicated. Still go to the extreme end again. So go to the extreme end again. Click on the audio itself. Just click on it. Ensure that this white border is on it. Then scroll down to this part here. So you have duplicate and you duplicate. So you continue that way till you are done duplicating all this on your videos. Okay. So I'm going to duplicate again. Now if you look at, it's more than the song, or the audio is more than the video. So I just come over here, click on this, ensure that this white border is attached, click on split here, click on delete to delete the audio, that part, the excessive part. Click on it again, click on the music again, and come over to where you have fade. Click on fade and you fade out. So at the ending of this your video, this song will die out slowly. So let's listen. So if you notice, the song died out slowly from the end. So this is how you can attach audios or music to your videos. So once you are done, ensure that this is in 1080p, then click on export to export your video. So see you in our next video tutorial. Make sure you like, subscribe, and also share. Thank you.